We discuss Gift Nifty's recovery, the Kamala Harris versus Donald Trump debate, and key inflation data that could impact the Fed's rate decision. Plus, updates on Bajaj Housing Finance's IPO and movers like Ola Electric and Indigo. Stay tuned for vital market insights. This Tuesday morning, Gift Nifty is seen bouncing back with conviction. Bullish Nifty traders are likely to go bargain hunting thanks to an overnight rebound at Wall Street. Focus will shift towards the presidential debate between Democratic nominee Kamala Harris and Republican candidate and former President Donald Trump on Tuesday. The next big catalyst for stock markets across globe will be the Federal Reserve outcome on 18 September. But before 18 September, bullish traders will have to brace with two inflation reports. So, on the economic front, US inflation data will be high on the agenda this week with the Consumer Price Index for August due Wednesday and producer price data out on Thursday. According to CME Group's FedWatch tool, futures traders are now pricing in a 71% chance the Fed will cut interest rates by a quarter percentage point at its September meeting, though odds of a half percentage point cut fell to 29% probability. Bottom line, Nifty's up move shall take off smoothly. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1177 crores, while DIIs bought to the tune of Rs 1757 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for the day. Market breadth for the day is likely to be bullish. Nifty's technicals are still indicating rebound play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 14.23 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.46 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 0.87. Nifty outlook, rebound play on cards. Nifty, CMP to 4936. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,753 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,334 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,900 and 5200. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 51118. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,369 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,755 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,900 and 51900. Bias for the day is positive. 1. Bajaj Housing Finance IPO has been fully subscribed on day 1, retail quota booked full, NIIs overbid. 2. In yesterday's trade, Ola Electric shares witnessed volatile movement, ends 4% higher at 114 rupees despite reports of the expiry of the anchor lock-in period has released 18.18 lakh shares for trading. 3. Indigo is in limelight on reports that it is set to expand its international network and bolster its cargo operations over the next few years as part of a broader goal to establish itself as a major global airline by 2030. CEO Peter Elbers has revealed plans to double the airline's international destinations to 40 by March 2025, with a focus on untapped markets for Indian travelers. Source: Economic Times. 4. Shares of Avenue Supermarts, DMart, are flirting with their two-year high of 5,361 rupees on hopes of improvement in discretionary demand and margins.